I love you. Bushel and a peck, bushel and a peck, and hug around the neck. Hug around the neck, and a barrel and a heap. Barrel and a heap, and a bushel and a peck, bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck. You want a break? No. My feet is hurting like anything. No, not this place. Let's keep walking. We just reached that. Hey, we came here.
Huh?
We walked 2 miles, just 2 more miles. Returning from McAfee Knob. We're on the Appalachian Trail. Ouch! And we are following the tree signs. The white paint on the tree. Those are the signs, and I see people still coming up. So we didn't pack anything much. We just took like 4 fruit juice packets, and good. Hi. Watch.
Why you took a shirt out?
Huh?
Shirt.
It's sunny, right? That's why.
Can I take
You want to take it out?
a shirt?
What if you suddenly feel sweaty? It's windy. So.
I have the bunny.
Huh?
I have the bunny.
After some time, okay? Hands. God. Want to drink some water?
No.
Okay. God. Want to drink some water?
No.
So while climbing up, we felt like drinking lots of water and juice. So we just took 4 packets of juice packets, a small one, and 1 can of water. That is the 3.9 liter can. So, and that we still have half left. So while climbing up, like half the can got over. And now climbing down, it's like we don't feel like drinking water at all, but the toe, the feet and toe, it's just starting to hurt a bit. We're able to walk and we are
Are
able
you telling
to.
me?
It's not like we are like.
Are you telling me?
No, I'm just recording, and I'm going to upload in YouTube, so it'll be useful for people who wants to come to Appalachian Trail. So, pardon my English. This is not my mother tongue, so I'm just trying to frame the sentence and just deliver it to you guys. Yeah. So these marks, these tree signs are awesome. Who takes? I mean, that's one thing I like.
My hair Tamil Nadu.
Huh?
The hair Tamil Nadu.
Mudi.
Mudu?
Mudi.
Mudi. Muddu. Mudi.
Mudi. Or there's a slang word for it. Slang word is mail. You can stick to Mudi. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, just the feet gets, oh my god, it's a bit hurting. And I think there is 2 more miles to go. Careful, Raghu. Oh, careful. Raghu, this way. Yeah. Raghu, careful here. You have to. Yeah. Do you see that white mark there? I think there will be an yellow mark here too. If you should not follow the yellow marks. Yeah.
Why you have to? Why is
We have to follow only the white. White is for Appalachian Trail.
Why is not follow the yellow?
Yellow, it will take us to some private land or something. That route we don't.
What's that route?
No, that is not the path. Keep going straight.
That's yellow.
Yeah.
What's this here?
Want to sit here?
Yeah.
Okay. Look here. Smile.